The moment Arugam Bay is mentioned, surfing immediately comes to mind. Locals and tourists alike flock here to ride its waves. Yet, the bay has even more to offer. Its gentle waters welcome swimmers, while golden sunsets and starlit nights turn it into a truly magical escape. A must-visit destination for every traveler.